This is a look at a student view of how students might design a digital portfolio using a pre-designed template. The first step is to go to sites.google.com. From here, I would instruct students to go to the template gallery. Once in the template gallery, I would have them select the template that has been designed ahead of time for them to use. So I'm going to select Student Template. Once here, students will need to change the title of their page. We're going to do a student profile page on NASCAR beginnings. I'm also going to change the file name to match, and then the page as well. From here, students will add photos of maybe artwork or something they found that is interesting to them, maybe a personal visit to the location of their project. And I'm going to title this and then they would write their paragraph. I don't currently have a picture. If I did, I would either select it or take it from my Google Drive. The next step is to add the next section. In this case, it's a slide presentation. And then I'm going to select this presentation from Google Drive. This is Natalie's work. Once I click off of that, I'm going to click these three dots, actually the settings, and I want to go to Auto Start and Loop Playback. That way it plays when this page is loaded. And then I would also have the student type their paragraph. And finally, I also want them to include a YouTube video. Now, I have videos ahead of time to choose from, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the YouTube link from the video, and I'm going to paste it here. I want to search for the video, select it, and add it. This also gives students an opportunity to type text in below. Now, students would also, on this particular template, add a final paper. I don't have a paper example, but I do have references as an example. So I have downloaded my references that I have using EasyBib, which is another application. So if they have references in maybe their Google Drive, this would be a good place for them to add them. Here's my references. Now the works cited goes way below this circle, so I'm going to go ahead and drag this so that you can see all of the works cited. Two final steps. First, to make sure all of my pages are titled. Not sure that I titled the final paper page either. Make sure everything is added, and then I am going to publish my website. Now, it's important that students make sure that they manage this and that they are able to change this link so that it's restricted. You don't want it to be public, but you definitely want it to be able to be viewed by maybe the parents or grandparents if this is going to be for a student night of sharing. And so restricted is really the best way to go, where only those who have the link can go to the site. And then publish. They go back to their home page, and then they want to select copy published site link, copy the link, and they're going to want to send that link to their teacher so that their teacher can then use that to link their digital portfolio to the class page. If they want to make more changes, they can, and then simply hit publish again.